Phuket.
Now what we do on the first day?
We've just checked in, but the room is not available yet because we got here too early.
Yeah.
So we gotta pass 5 hours of time
Okay.
with no sunscreen.
So what are we going to do instead now? What are we going to do?
We're gonna walk to the beach without sunscreen and my jumper from the aeroplane.
Fun times.
I think we're gonna come out like this. Outside. And look.
You go swimming outside. Just tell your
We
mom.
only paid $800 something for this. And look, I could fit drink in the water.
What, 800 is it?
And too close, bro. Too close.
What's up, Egg?
What's up, Lem Lem? We are in Phuket.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Swimming.
Little frog.
Yeah, little frog swimming. Have you showed them the private jacuzzi?
Wait, the lens are so...
Yeah, it's temperature difference. But have you seen the...
Yep, I tried to go in, but it was a little bit too cold. But...
And the water's very high.
Whoa.
178, and this is probably like 1.5 meters.
Wow. There's no one else in the pool at the moment. Maybe it's too hot.
Everyone's doing that too.
Yeah. Hey, this is getting frosty again.
Yeah, this is the thing. Well, put the camera back. Let's go swim. Say hello to the camera, Babster. What are you doing? Cool kid.
Got my license. Got my phone with me.
Got everything?
Got my sneakers with me. Ja, das ist die Masse. Oh,
Just. Alright, stand up guys neatly. Everyone up right now. Can you hear me? Okay, that's good. Okay. This size, can you hear me, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Then everyone come right now. Let's check. If you finish, please. Okay. Everyone come. Okay, right now we want to say again. Okay. Okay. Please stay. Everyone come. Please.
The music is so nice.
Turn around, Babster. Oh, the guy said it's a scary cave. I think he's joking. Oh, everyone's here. This one, oh yeah, it looks like an elephant. Babs, that one looks like an elephant.
I don't understand.
Looks like elephant. What do you mean?
Doesn't look like an elephant.
Yes, it does. See how it has black eyes? This one.
So that man, he
Which
had
man?
his legs out this way and he come this way.
Yeah,
Yeah, it does.
you know.
Hi.
Hello. Hello.
I not recommend for shopping. Okay, I not recommend for shopping. You buy the souvenir, the picture.
Very tragic.
Thailand, very traffic.
Do we just follow?
We should follow our guy.
Oh, so pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. The story of that.
But it's Island.
Huh?
Whoa.
I
Yeah, I'll walk behind.
don't think we need a ferry, mate. You just said 115.
No, but how can you walk inside the island by yourself? Isn't that dangerous? What did he say? This is James Bond number 2?
Where's my thing?
Yeah, say hello.
Put your sunnies on, yeah?
Yeah.
Cái này mình vào hốt rồi nè. Cái vào hốt.
No one gives him bananas anymore. Do you like the monkey investor?
Yeah, looks like you.
Oh, funny jokester. Yeah, just keep walking, Maps. There's water.
Yeah, take it out.
Yeah.
I think I almost licked him here. Wait, try to.
Then you just keep one straight. The dolphin. That's the eyes over there. You sure?
Ask him. Ask Mark.
It's a fish. That. Oh, fish. Make a move.
Oh my gosh.
Is that life?
Oh my gosh. Okay, I might drop it. I'm scared. Yeah, go.
What is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter anymore. Why? Didn't time. He's like, do you want spring onion? Do you want garlic? I'll go put it for you.
You like it?
Strawberry at the top. And there's
Oh, yeah.
mixed yogurt at the bottom.
I need you to try your first later. You told me whether it's worth it. Oh. Yep, got it.
I like.
You like
It's
it?
like actual yogurt, but there's a lot of syrup.
Oh, okay.
Maybe not syrup, maybe blended up with
Yeah.
Okay. Where are we going now, babe? Jungceylon. In our little hotel shuttle bus. It's not really like a shuttle bus. It's like a tuk-tuk
Show them the seats.
with leather seats. I'll show you the view of the road. See? Victor didn't bring his camera, so we're using my phone.
Yeah, that's right.
So that's why the quality is not as good.
I want to travel by two.
Traveling light. It's our last full day. I hope you can hear us. Okay.
It's even right at one.
Are you gonna
Why did you choose to eat Chinese food again, buddy?
You fucking joke. Your place like I feel like DTF to you, and I'm like, if you want it, we can get it. In my mind, I was like feeling like ramen.
Should have said it earlier then.
That's alright. This is what you got.
Okay. Hey,
Why are you recording me?
it's always fun to record you. Is it hot? No, right? Yeah, do you miss Chinese food? Too hot?
Okay. Going to go to the Sunday night market. I think it's called the Old Town night market. So we're getting ready to go. Okay, and so today for lunch we had lunch, right? Victor was too shy to bring the camera along. But we had pretty much a 3-course meal, entree, lunch, and dessert, and a drink. But yeah, for entree we got arancinis, and then we got a salad.
Roasted salad.
And then for mains we had a pizza and a pasta, and then for desserts we had some crepe and a milfoy. I think that's how you say it. Millefilly, yeah, that's it. I forgot to say, it was 780 baht per person, net, which means it includes taxes,
Pretty worth it, right?
which is about $30 per person. Pretty crazy.
Did I mention how nice the swimming pool is, guys?
Yes.
Very nice.
Nice hair, by the way.
So nice hair to me, woman.
Okay, bye. I want to take a photo too. 2 spicy and 2 no spicy. Which ones do you want?
One of each.
My God, look at that thing. You look like this thing.
What's the haps, Ang?
Trying to get our grab back home.
Very difficult, isn't it?
We thought we were being smart. We thought we had big brain. We walked to a quiet street
Yeah.
thinking that it'd be cheaper. But
no one picks up.
These Grab drivers have bigger brains.
They're smart. They know not to come.
They're like, no.
We can make more money
I
out
go
of it.
down 20 meters, I get double
500
price.
baht. Yeah, exactly. So I spent $50 on the taxi to come to Old Town.
And you
just
tipped
to
him
eat.
50 baht?
Like I tipped him 50 baht just to eat 4 skewers.
That tastes like Joanna's mum's.
That tastes like Joanna's mom chicken wings. Yeah, and what else?
And prahat.
Oh, bro, yeah, and the coconut freaking dessert. That's it, bro. So we spent $80 to eat that shit. Is it, guys, why this isn't shot on a Sony fucking film?
Reason why?
Why this isn't shot on a Sony camera is because I'm too fucking lazy. Camera's too heavy, so when I go on this iPhone, you'll notice that the quality is shit up. Well, that's how it is.
But it's also using front camera. Also using front camera. Here, let me stop.
Camera's like a 480p. 480p.
There we go. Oh, going up.
Not even 4K. Catch me on 4K, yo.
Now this is better K though. Okay, I'll just show the lobby. Oh, they turned off the water. I just noticed the waterfall stopped working.
Dude, there's literally no water. They drained
They
it.
drained it all out, so usually in the day it's like, but they've decorated it for Christmas. See, that's the front door. I'm going to turn it off now because it's getting embarrassing.